Lisa and Johan are now going to the marina office just to see where we can stay and how easy it is with regulations. She's coming back already. Let's see.
No, they didn't ask anything. So really nothing. They just looked at the crew list and that's it.
Yes!
I've got a map. Restaurants, tapas bars.
Oh yes!
And Wi-Fi.
Can't wait, get off the boat, jump on the bike.
Let's get some tapas. We're gonna go that way.
Super crazy, like less than 24 hours ago we was around nothing but sea, and like now we're looking to get tapas. It's like, what? Okay. The first albarino, and look over my shoulder, Pulpo. Let's try them.
I feel a bit shaky still, like I'm on the boat.
Look at that.
Oh, I think you will like this, Lisa. Hoeveel?
Oh, nice.
Tastes good?
Tastes good.
Good morning. Yesterday something really nice happened. We met a Dutch family, Lisa and Fleur. They played the whole day from the moment they met each other, and we went to bed at 3:15 last night, and the kids, they really wanted to have pancakes for breakfast. Well, what can be more Dutch than pancakes for breakfast?
I think we have to leave soon. If we wait half a more day, we cannot leave. So if we leave now, it's gonna be okay. Proper sailing, boring sailing, no wind, maybe a lot of wind, a lot of wind, and we're in Lisbon. Should be fine. Should be fine.
How's everyone feeling this morning? A little bit anxious about leaving?
Yeah.
I feel the energy. I feel everyone's a little bit on edge.
Feel the pressure. Yeah, we just went through different scenarios.
Yeah.
If you can help us, holding a fender between the boat and
Well done, well done.
So almost end of a long, boring sailing day, hardly no sail, and we're going to Cascais, which means another 1.5 days sailing or motoring. So we've been chilling, hanging around a bit.
lazy.
Yeah, lazy.
So this location is called the End of the World. I'm not sure why they call that because it's absolutely beautiful. The colour and how calm the sea is with the sunset is breathtaking. It's starting to get dark a little bit now, so we're going to put the camera away and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning everyone. It is 9:30 in the morning. The weather conditions is absolutely freezing. The air is very moist and wet, so you just feel super cold. We haven't done much sailing at all since we left La Coruña
the water has been super flat, so we have just motorboat pretty much all the way. In a way it's a good thing because we've managed to cover a lot of mileage, but for Johan's pocket, not very good because we've burnt a lot of fuel. Another 35 hours until we reach Cascais, Lisbon. Now I'm going to make some breakfast. We're going to be making some scrambled eggs and toast. I might make some porridge as well. Feeling a little bit hungry.
Yeah, but I thought I wanted to go close to the shore. Enjoying your breakfast? Yeah? Aki did well, eh? And you with your scrambled eggs? We've been traveling now already for
1.5 day.
1.5 day?
Nee.
Another 1.5 day to go. To be honest, it's quite calm. Weather is okay. It's a bit chilly. That's why we're not wearing our summer clothes at the moment. We're going a bit close to the shore. Lisa has her Spanish lesson, so we really need a bit of internet. And it's nice. She's already practicing with some words.
Hola.
So yeah, until now it's going smooth. We saw so many dolphins, Elisa.
Oh no! Way!
Yeah. Yeah.
That is amazing!
Cool, eh? I will get your cars and you can start.
Did they swim next to the boat? What about Pedro? Hola Pedro. Hola Mia. Hola, muy bien. Y Lisa, ¿cómo estás?
Bien.
Sí, bien, ¿estás bien? Perfecto, perfecto, vale. Dad, let's see if we can start to sing, okay?
Okay.
It's a bittersweet symphony that's life.
Good morning, guys. Finally the sun is out. Woke up to a beautiful day. We have been on the sea for 2.5 days and now we are 3 hours away from Cascais. Super excited about going to Portugal because I've never been to Portugal. I can't wait just to get to the land, pull out our bikes, go for a bike ride, find some food, explore the city. I'm really looking forward to this. You can see the ocean has been super kind to us. It has been super flat. Oh, I see a floater, so I am now going to go and tell Agnes to make sure that we avoid this, and I'll also go and check in with everyone else. Alright, so this is something that we've been avoiding through all our passages. Super annoying. You can see here, that little thing over there. If your engine gets inside that, the propeller spins it, will just completely stop the boat and it will cause a lot of damage, making us stranded. So imagine trying to see one of them at night. Virtually impossible. So when we're on night watches, which I'll make a video about that, when we're on night watches, we'll have the big torch out. Every 10-15 minutes we'll come out and just spray. It's amazing because you can just see the light beam just like shining, and you just be like looking, trying to find that there's any floaters or anything in the sea. So far we've been super lucky and we haven't hit anything, and we'll like to remain it that way. Humans, you need to stop overfishing and stop polluting the ocean. Yeah.
How are you, Johan? How are you today?
Exhausted.
Yeah. You didn't get much sleep last night?
No. 2 more hours. And we're marine at the Cascais, tying the boat up, having a beer. Oh.
And a bike ride.
And a bike ride. I think we have to bike to the beach. Look over there.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We are now going over maybe 3 meters of waves, and it's incredible. it lifts like the whole boat, and you can just like overlook, and then all of a sudden then you come back down. This is really cool. Let me try and see if I can film it.
There we are, it's lifting us up, it's lifting us up. Back down again.
Wind me up, put me down, stop me up and watch me go. I'll be running circles around you sooner than you know. A little off center and I'm out of tune. Just kicking this gal on the avenue. But I'm alright.
Johan has just gone into the office with the paperwork. Big question is, do we have to quarantine? Or can we just get off board, get on our bikes, and go and get something to eat? Let's find out. Johan, big question.
Yes.
Do we have to quarantine?
I don't think so.
Church it out.
Lisa. Sorry.